Well, as you can see, this is sixth grade. We're going to focus on Study Island sections 4, A, B, C, D, E. So this will be an introduction, and then of course you will have time to practice the various concepts, and we will see what is clear, and we'll also see what's not clear, what we may have to reteach or review or clear up any confusion. So the first thing we want to talk about that you've probably already heard and spent time on is the order of operations. Now you should write that down and also commit it to memory, because it will be included in problems that you're given frequently, especially on tests, where it's not so difficult, but it does take some understanding. So the order of operations, we say, is represented by this: PEMDAS, where it's parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So again, that's parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. So, and this is done from left to right. So it's done from left to right. So now you will work with this. We're going to go through some practice problems, of course, but you'll start to work with this until you can memorize this: PEMDAS, PEMDAS. You can change it however it will work best for you, but the order is important. So you can't move the letters in different arrangements, because then it won't give you the right result when you're going from left to right. So I'm going to leave that on the board for us to refer to and put it in red, so you can see how we apply it. So I've taken, as usual, some problems from Study Island. So I'm going to put the problems down, and then we'll go through them. I should have done it already, but I didn't. So here we got 66 minus 4 times 7 minus 4 squared. Then we have another one, I'll call it number 2, even though it's not 2 on the page, because it was taken from somewhere else, times 8 plus 3 squared. So that's 2. So let's go through these 2. So we're following the system: parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract, from left to right. So the first thing this tells us to is we have to eliminate or deal with the parentheses. So to do that, we would have 66 minus 4 times 7 minus 4 is 3 squared. So now that's reducing the parentheses down to 3 squared. So now I have to deal with the exponents. So I get 66 minus 4 times 9. 3 squared is 9. So now I have eliminated the parentheses and the exponents. My next thing is multiplication. So I have 66 minus 4 times 9 is 36. So I've done the multiplication. There's no division, there's no addition, but there is subtraction. So now I have 66 take away 36 is 30. So my answer is 30. And 30 was answer C on the paper. So let's try the same thing with this. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, left to right. So going left to right, I run into there's no parentheses, so I've taken care of that, but I do have an exponent, so I have to do that next. So I have 29 minus 3 times 8 plus 9. So now I've eliminated, I didn't have any parentheses, I've eliminated the exponent, and I've done the multiplication. There's no division. There is some addition and subtraction. So going from left to right, there is some multiplication. So I've eliminated the parentheses. I didn't have any parentheses. I eliminated the exponent. Now I have to do the multiplication. So 29 minus 3 times 8 plus 9. So 3 times 8 is 24. Negative 24 plus 9. So if I'm going from left to right, now I have to do 3 times 8, because that's left to right. 3 times 8 minus 24. So I've taken care of parentheses I didn't have, exponents I dealt with, multiplication I just completed. Now I have to do addition and subtraction. So going from left to right, 29 take away 24 is 5, plus 9 is 14. So 14 was answer C as well. So let me stop right here, clean this off, and then we'll come back. So that's 7 minutes. We're doing all right.